What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We here at IMS 2019. I was about to say 2020, but it's not 2020 yet. Tons of bikes out here doing big things.
You got a key?
Yes, I think I have my key, which I will double check, but because I tend to forget it. Anyways, we're gonna go get some beer, look at some new bikes, and see all the new cool shit. I'm really hoping they have the 765, but I don't think they will. Either way, I'm sure they'll have a bunch of cool shit. So let's go.
Dude, buying tickets online was smart.
Yeah. So this is to buy the tickets?
Yeah.
Hell no.
Yeah, that's the line.
I would have opened my phone and bought a ticket online right now.
Yeah, that's... No, this is the line to get in. Wait.
Is it?
Wait, that's the line to get in.
What?
Yeah. With tickets? I think we need to...
What if we go buy the ticket then?
We need to rethink our choices.
Yeah, we need to rethink this.
Hey, first round?
Yeah, I got first round.
You guys got it already? Yeah.
What kind of beer do you have? Ooh, guess we're going chorus.
Modelo's or Coors?
Chorus. Can you get 2 chorus?
Yeah. That'd be $50, please.
How much?
50?
He said almost. If you want beer at IMS, expect to be paying a lot.
You know,
$13 a beer for a, what is that, 24 ounce?
You need the beer.
24 ounce can of beer.
You need the beer.
It is needed though.
To take off the edge of having to buy the beer.
Yeah. Yeah, you need the beer to take off the edge of buying the beer. All right, beer, my friend. Cheers.
Hey,
it's cold.
$13 Coors tastes better, actually.
It tastes better?
Yeah. Mr.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Yo, it was the V-Rod list now since I got rid of the hood.
Oh, V-Rod list.
Yeah, I said no more V-Rod. Now I'm on a
What are you getting?
I got a Sport Glide. Sport Glide.
Sport Glide.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna club it out. Club it out. You know,
All right. Are you getting the beer?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, right? Yeah.
My GoPro lens is cracked.
I can't see it.
You don't see? There's a crack right in the...
You gotta like point. Oh yeah, there's a crack. And you can't change those lenses.
You
huh?
can't.
Oh, this is
On that.
yeah, but you have a warranty.
No, the replacement lenses are allowed.
The warranty's free. You already paid for it. You just get a brand new one, and then you can re-up on the warranty, like you did last time. I think that's a better idea. I think it's too small. It won't be caught in the video, but I would do that instead.
That's fucking hella smart.
And yeah,
That's why I'm friends with this guy.
yeah.
Yeah, I told you, whenever I'm about to do something stupid, like buy a replacement part, I'm just gonna...
When you want to be a little shady. Not a lot of shady, but when you want to be a little shady.
Just a smidge of shady.
If you just need a smidge shady, you come to me. Just a smidge. Alright, so we got Triumph here. I've been really hoping that Triumph has the 765 because I do have a deposit on one. Whether or not I'm going to get it, it's still up in the air because it doesn't even mean that they are going to get enough to give me one. I'm the third person in line at this Triumph San Diego. So hopefully I get it. But even then, the price is kind of up there. I think it's $17.5 on their website. So we'll see. But let's go take a look at Triumph. Do you know if the 765 is here?
Nope, it's not here.
Fuck. Of course. Why?
Not yet.
How do you not have it? I've already seen it in like places they're making videos with it. Maybe they only have one that they're like traveling around. Yeah, well, for the US and Canada. 765 for Asia and Europe or whatever. And Rocket 3. That is a beautiful bike.
Sexy.
It's like 20 grand, I think. Dude, that looks so nice. I think it's 20 grand. It's like 2,400 some cc's. 180 horsepower or something like that. 179 horsepower.
How does that compare to the Diablo? Because it's about the same. It's the same.
The Diablo is even more expensive. The Diablo is like 40 grand or 30 grand.
No.
Yeah, the Diablo's expensive.
Are you serious? I thought it was like the mid-20s.
I don't know. I think this was only MSRP is like 20,000.
I could have sworn the Diablos were in like the mid-20s. And I'm sure they could get higher because I know they have different versions. Like,
dude, I love that exhaust, man.
Look at the fucking engine. It's like right dead center. Look at that, bro. Get out of my shot. Get out of my shot.
Let's go look at that bobber though. Where? I mean, I've kind of seen it already plenty, but I really like looking at it. The other bike that I'm not gonna lie, if I didn't get the Triumph I was thinking about was the an S1000.
I think it's a different company.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. An S1000 double R.
No, you were not.
Yeah. I thought they're like 17 or something like that. I saw some for like 17, 18.
You were not.
Yeah.
So when were you thinking about this?
Yeah, not too long ago.
What?
Yeah.
Since when do you have ideas and not share?
Yeah, it's you know. But I really do like this bike. I can see myself riding this thing. I need to take it for a test ride.
It looks kind of uncomfortable, but maybe that's just the way it's supposed to.
There's a Christian Motorcycle Association.
Like maybe something in there
Motorcycle Association.
just makes it like
Chain maintenance, they're like it might be a bitch with that exhaust.
biker gang.
Chain maintenance might suck.
You start riding and
Yeah.
fucking shit smoking.
But I do like that bike.
It's got rebels on the front.
Kenny over here at a motorcycle place trying to win a bicycle.
Yeah, man. You should always enter all the drawings for everything because you never know.
Let me just give away all my info for free.
You know what? This is my fucking junk email anyway, and I don't think I can get any more junk than I'm already getting.
Never listen to Kenny.
You know what?
That is the worst idea ever.
You're gonna be pissed off when I win a bicycle if you don't.
Look, Kenny's bike right here. Look, Kenny's favorite bike.
It's not my favorite. I just
Look. Look at this thing. Why does it say please do not sit?
this. What?
Why does it say please do not sit? Like someone, I mean, I guess someone might be dumb enough to try to sit on this.
It
Is
it has no seat. What are you gonna sit?
Is this essentially the Nikon, right? Like just a stripped down for frame.
This is it. Yeah. This is.
That's some interesting engineering up front.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. That's kind of cool. I mean, the engineering part aspect is interesting.
There's a lot going on, man. I wonder if it's like over complicated. Like, does it really need to be this
It's probably as simple as it can be, and you know, there's a comparison. You have what this
is what you need.
You got this right here. Is that what that is over there?
Just with
Just no nothing.
no skin.
Kenny, I found your bike. I found your bike, Kenny. And it's broken.
The suspension is just keep.
I don't know if that's suspension. You're gonna have to adjust that.
Suspension is.
This is literally the ugliest bike. I think in terms of bikes.
You know what?
I'm sorry, Boosters are like the ugliest things ever made.
Hey. See,
That's not a bad price.
No, it's not.
God,
For what it is for 14 grand it is pretty awesome. Having had one, it is pretty great.
Those are pretty ugly, Kenny.
You shut the fuck
Those
up.
are
Mine
ugly.
was beautiful. You know
That
what?
is ugly bike.
Insert a picture of my old.
No,
and then
I don't want to.
And then you can shut the fuck up.
I don't want to insert anything. Look, Kenny, I need to understand what you don't like about this bike.
You want to talk about? Or you know what? My gimbal's going crazy. You want to talk about ugly? This is the ugliest bike I have ever seen.
I don't think it's ugly. I think it's interesting.
You sir, have zero.
It reminds me of like RoboCop up here.
This looks just like the Nikon, dude. Like the same type of ugly.
No, this is a nice bike.
Yeah. It is. Look.
I mean, it's got a little retroness to it.
Retroness, my
It's got the power. Like, it's a nice. It looks a million times better than a Hayabusa.
You're a
bro.
goddamn lie.
No, like day and night difference.
No.
This is way better than the Hayabusa. I hate to tell you,
this guy has zero
Hayabusa is
taste.
garbage.
You know, you should just unsubscribe right now.
To Kenny, to KSIX, yes. You know what, Kenny? This is what we're gonna do. When we get old and we retire, we're gonna buy a farm. We're not gonna farm on it. We're just gonna buy bikes and dirt and shit and quads and like go tear shit up.
Okay, all right. So yeah, you
There's no farming.
you had me lost with the whole farm.
No. There's no farming. We're just gonna buy. We just need an excuse. Yeah, we just need an excuse to have this and have tractors and have shit that like you need.
All
You know.
right, so the problem we're gonna run into is convincing the wives that this is a good idea.
I think they'll understand. If we have a farm, we'll be like, look, we have a farm. You have to have one of these on a farm.
Fucking smart. This
Yeah.
guy's always thinking.
Yeah.
Always thinking about ways that we can make our wives pissed at us. Or pissed at me, because I know your wife is like, this is all Kenny's idea.
She probably.
This is all.
I have a feeling your wife is like, this is all your idea, isn't it? She probably don't blame me. She's like, this is totally your idea, isn't it? That laugh is that I'm right.
Yeah, you got a point.
Oh man.
I'm the cause of all the problems.
It's Kenny's fault. That's my excuse for everything. It's Kenny's fault. About to go get another beer. A $13 Coors Light. Yeah. It's better because it's more expensive, I guess.
We fancy getting them expensive Coors.
Yeah, the expensive Coors. And we on beer number 2.
Oh yeah.
Kenny's on that noob level. He's still getting used to this stuff.
You know what?
He's still getting used to it. So he's learning. I mean, he's learning, right?
You just rolling with old school tech, and for some reason it just works
It
better.
just continues to work.
It does. It does.
What do you want me to tell you? Look, I've had this mic for
it's
like
my
3
own damn
years,
fault.
and it just works.
You don't have to rub it in, man. I'm agreeing with you.
Yeah,
the
okay.
Old tech shit works.
All right. I'm trying to tell him to get one of these.
This is one time I'm agreeing.
You should get one of these just because, and then just for this. Like it's only used for the gimbal, and that's it. And you can probably get it super cheap. I'm just saying. All right, what did you want to look at again?
You know what? I need to stop and drink this fucking expensive ass. $26.
Should we go sit somewhere?
$26 for these.
It's not cheap.
This is.
Do you want to find a place to chill and enjoy this $26 beer?
Gay? Yeah.
All right, let's go. She's like, yeah, that's really gay.
This is just comfortable, man.
You didn't sit on the Rocket 3. We don't know. I didn't either. He should be going with the Rocket 3. Really. I mean, that's the right decision. Everybody knows it. I think he just doesn't know or understands what motorcycling is about, and that Triumph reigns over Daytona or over the Ducati. I mean, the Rocket 3 is just like, I mean, hands down the way to go. But look at him, he's over there talking shit, doesn't even know what he's talking about, has no idea what he's talking about. He's just, look, 1260 cc's versus 2400 some cc's. I mean, horsepower wise, comfort wise, better screen, better exhaust. Olins, both have Olins and Brembo. I'm just saying.
I agree that it's a beautiful bike, but that's all I'm going to agree with.
And I'll agree that this is one of their nicer bikes. I do like this bike. Don't listen to him. As a matter of fact, go ahead and unsubscribe to him. Let's just make that clear. This is the R version, yeah. This is the Z900 H2?
No, it's called the ZH2. It's
The ZH2.
The only difference is the fucking wings. The wings.
Alright, check this out. Oops, sorry.
Everything else is the
This thing, the ZH2. Look at that. So it's basically a supercharged Z1000, man. Look at this thing. It's not as big as I would think it is. Supercharged. Dude, I can't believe they have it here. I didn't think they would.
That's high. It's really high.
Is it?
Yeah, and I can't flat foot. I'm sure that's,
Well, that's not good news for me.
I'm sure that's an easy problem to fix. Found that one, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
It's not.
Well, I didn't know if you were gonna have it. Yeah, I thought it would be bigger, like more bulky.
Hey, $2 for experiences.
You could have got on this train though. Kenny's all about the train.
Kenny about that train?
Yeah, Kenny's all about the train.
All about that train.
Hey.
Where'd your scooter go, Kenny? I had to let it go.
Kenny's like, choo choo.
All aboard!
All aboard.
Fucked up. I hate you guys.
Alright guys, well, I think that's the end of the day. It was a good time. We had walked around, got to see a lot of cool shit. Unfortunately, the 765 wasn't here, but still a lot of nice bikes. Obviously, you've seen. Went to grab some lunch. I think we're gonna go bug red now, but for as far as this video goes, pretty sure that's the end. We're gonna end it here. So appreciate it, you guys watching, whoever's still sticking around. Make sure to go check out my boy Kenny, KSIX, on his channel. I'll put the link down below. And I know it's really loud, but until next time, guys, have a good one. Peace out. Ride safe.
Yeah.